Hey guys and gals, this is Alex with Legendary Apartment Brokers here in Kansas City. Today is Monday, June 1st, and this is the KC Multifamily Minute. Here we go. We are in the last month of the second quarter already of 2026. Time flies when you're having fun. Let's get right into it. What do we got for statistics here in the Kansas City market? This is the KC Multifamily Minute where I cover every single thing that opens and comes onto the MLS and Crexy style websites. MLS powers my website, legendarypartbrokers.com. I'm talking to you every single week about everything new that's a multifamily that's $500,000 plus. That's duplexes, fourplexes, etc. 16 units, 24 units, 30 units, 40 units. And talk about what class location they are in, how it might fit in for your 1031 exchange, how it might fit in for active real estate investors. So this week we've got 73 listings out there. 56 are available that are $500,000 plus. 17 of those are under contract. We have 2 new listings. That's the MLS data. Then over on Crexy, which is going to have a lot of the same MLS stuff, plus more commercial stuff, unpriced stuff. By commercial, I mean larger projects from larger brokerage firms that are maybe 75 units, 150 units, 200 units. So we've got 2 new listings. We're going to cover those here. And first up, we're going to use my website, legendarypartbrokers.com, to talk about those. First up is a fourplex in Grain Valley. You guys might recall I just sold a fourplex over here. $535,000 for fourplex in 1310 Northwest Valley Woods Court, Grain Valley, Missouri. Fantastic location. I love these a lot. I actually think about buying these for myself. They all have a garage for each unit. 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Utilities are separately metered typically. Rents should be $1,200, $1,300 depending on the finishes you got in there. Maybe you've got garage door openers on the garages. Create more of a community there for each individual tenant. Fantastic opportunity. I sold several of these earlier this year. Price is exactly in line and correct of where you should be. Definitely highly recommend checking those out. You know how to reach me, Alex, at legendarypartbrokers.com. Let's talk about those. All right, so next up is the only other new listing on the open market this week over the last 7 days. This one's $3 million for 40 units, so call it $75,000 a unit. Right off of 350 Highway in the heart of Raytown. 40 units, like I said, a mix of Section 8, mix of market rent. One building is much nicer than the other. I believe there was either insurance claim or something large on that. They had to make it really nice. They've got, of course, all new roof, all new sprinkler system because it's more than 2 stories. Just a whole different setup over there compared to the other side of it. Rents are very low. The same owners had this for many years. There's also, it was in the family even before that. So there's an opportunity there to push rents. Kind of some smaller units mixed in. But it's $3 million for 40 units, $75,000 per unit. For 1031 exchange investors, this is a Class C location. I think if you reposition this and put all market rate tenants into this, did some updates and upgrades over a couple year period, you have a really nice asset. So if you got an active 1031 exchange, you're okay with Class C locations and can stretch on your numbers a bit, buy, offer, pro forma, this could be a great fit for you. Okay? So that's everything new on the open market this week. That's only 2 new opportunities. One's in a Class A location in Grain Valley. Another one's in a Class C location here in Kansas City. If you're an active real estate investor, you're looking for fourplexes, duplexes, moreplexes, please reach out. Alex at legendarypartbrokers.com. We'll talk soon.